Ms. Crystal, let me be clear. You signed a mortgage, you received a house, and now you don't want to pay. That's not law. That's wishful thinking.
With respect, Your Honor, I signed under the belief this was a lawful contract, but Congress never granted these banks authority to make residential loans to citizens inside the several states.
So you're telling me banks have been lending money for over 100 years without authority? That's absurd.
Not absurd, Your Honor, statutory fact. The National Bank Act of 1864 limited banks to holding real estate for their premises or debt satisfaction. The 1913 Federal Reserve Act authorized only interbank lending. No statute ever authorized them to lend to citizens for private residential property.
Even if that were true, and I doubt it, you still receive money to buy your home. Isn't that enough?
Your Honor, that's exactly the issue. No money ever changed hands. What they call a loan was created by my own signature.
And under 12 U.S.C. 375A and 375B plus 12 CFR Part 215, any extension of credit must be backed by a 100% collateral cash deposit. That collateral was never funded. Without consideration, there is no contract.
You really think one clause in a statute undoes the entire mortgage industry?
Not one clause, the entire statutory framework. Congress restricted them. The comptroller of the currency enforces it. If they can't produce authority from Congress and proof of the collateral deposit, then by law, there is no valid debt. That makes this not just unenforceable, but fraudulent.
And what remedy are you seeking, Miss Crystal? Enlighten me.
Deed to my property free and clear. Restitution of every payment I was unlawfully induced to make, including interest and insurance.
And punitive damages of $5 million, because fraud this systemic, knowingly inducing citizens into void contracts, demands punishment.
$5 million? For a mortgage you willingly signed?
For a mortgage they had no authority to offer, Your Honor. Fraud vitiates everything. The law leaves lawbreakers where it finds them.
And this court, bound by its oath, cannot enforce a contract that never lawfully existed.